Popsy, Chinedu father died. As Chinedu papa kpai, as father died, you see wetin Chinedu inherit cars, plot of land, then many I never fit count am. Mansion like two mansion. That papa business, that company inherit am. So many things wey the guy inherit, man. Popsy if you no. Popsy wetin I fit inherit from you now?
You be mumu.
Hey, put it very well. If I die now, what you inherit from me? Abi? You want to know? You inherit discipline.
Continue.
You inherit good morals.
What?
And good name.
Photo.
I'm going out. I'll see you later.
What type of plane is this?
Oh, no.
God, which kind of poverty go bomb me? Which kind of poverty go bomb me?
Will you be quiet?
Show me good name. Show me good name. Who good name help? Who good name help?
You be mumu.
Good name when carry poverty. God punish that good name. God punish him.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Man, marvelous. I used to jealous that Chinedu. You see the guy inheriting cars, mansion, plot of land. They reach like 6. That papa company inherit am. Man, so many things when the guy inherit. See me, I can't wait for my father to die, so that I'll get my own inheritance too. What of you? Why won't they pray me die when nothing there to inherit? Nothing there.
Sorry, yo.
My dad, they ask am which day. They tell me good name.
Exactly.
Good name help. May the poor man live long as he like.
Child.
You remember that quote when they say if you not come from a rich family, then a rich family should come from you. That quote not for me. May the poor man live long as he like.
There is God.
Mom say when I don't make calm, then one of my pikin call the pray ma die, ma kpai, so that he go hear it. Now go and kill him.